Hi there, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. Today we're going to take a look at seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Today's pose features seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana translates to intense stretch of the West pose. It actively stretches the hamstrings, spine, and shoulders and soothes the nervous system by provoking the relaxed response. It reduces chronic stress, anxiety, depression, and headaches, and is said to reduce menstrual discomfort, menopause symptoms, and male infertility. Hello there, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. So please come into Dandasana. She's going to extend her legs straight out in front of her, move the flesh from the sit bones, and take her hands alongside her hips for a moment, okay? Push down into your sitting bones to lift up your sternum and claim as much length in your front body as possible. She's got her legs in a neutral position, which are very much like Tadasana. And just like Tadasana, I'm going to have her heels slightly off each other, keeping the position of the legs absolutely neutral. Extend through the heels, flex the toes, and feel the strong engagement in the legs. Inhale, extend the arms forward and up, palms face in. And as she exhales, she's going to reach forward and long for as long as she can, Her head will come down last. Paschimottanasana. If she wasn't as bendy as she is, I'd give her a strap to place around the balls of the feet, not the arches. Inhale, halfway lift, keeping your hands on the ground. Lift your front body any amount, not just your head, your front body. And as you exhale, forward folds. So let's try that twice more. Inhale, lift your front body. Better, excellent. Exhale, traction the arms back as you pull your chest forward and bow. One more time like that. Inhale, lift your chest, crawl your hands forward in space so your elbows are 100% straight. And as you exhale, forward fold and stay. So strongly flex the feet, extend through the heels. If there's tightness in the hamstrings, like she has, there's a little bend in the knees, so I'm going to ask her to dig down and pull back through her heels. Take one more final breath in, and as you exhale, come up with your belly first, your rib cage second, and your head last. Inhale, raise the arms straight back up, up, and then gently release. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Namaste.